question for you for today. Do you think you'll cry?
No, don't think I'll cry.
Then you're not a true fan.
True fan, but I won't cry.
I don't think I'm gonna cry either. Just saying. But I am a true fan.
Excited.
I'm very excited.
Really?
How embarrassing.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. So we're going to Star Wars Land. It's been open for like a couple weeks now, right? Like
Since the 31st, and
the
today is the
31st.
11th.
Yeah, so we're going today. We have a few hours.
11 to 3.
11 to 3. We have that time like reserved because we are staying at the Disneyland Hotel. We're gonna go to Hungry Bear.
Oh, okay, that Splash Mountain.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, Dad, look!
I know.
Oh, cool! Oh, look at that! Dad, what does it say?
I don't know.
You're a fan.
I don't know.
You should know.
I don't know.
No one's in there. I can go. I don't know how to fly, but I can learn.
Check that out.
That's really crazy.
Rad.
That. Outfit. Oh. It wasn't so hot. I'd love to wear a Star Wars outfit, but.
I might have to buy a lot of shit here.
Yes. We might have
Awesome.
to. Cool. Oh,
Did you hear the groan? Groan.
Yeah.
Groan.
yeah, I did.
Check that out.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It looks so real. What plan is this? Batuu? Is that it? Batuu?
Batuu.
Stop it. Stop pulling
I
me.
think it's
How do I
Jakku.
say?
It's Jakku, isn't it?
It's Jakku? I thought it
I think. I'm not positive. I think
no,
it's
it's
Jakku.
like, it's just a Jakku on Shut up.
What did you say it
No,
was?
I'm not talking
Batuu
anymore.
or something?
Stop pulling me. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Dad, what does it say?
I don't know. Wow, insane.
Oh my god.
Oh, stormtroopers! Stormtroopers!
I appreciate your support in moving.
Land speed! Lily!
Oh, cool. Oh, I recognize that.
Yeah, you better.
Which one is that from?
Star Wars, you dummy.
No, what movie?
New Hope.
A New Hope?
Oh, look back that way.
Rides when it's in the... Oh, cool.
Man. I don't even know where we're going. I'm just walking.
I know.
Okay, that's a way out right there.
Let's exit. We don't want to exit. We want to stay.
I think we're going in and getting around. Oh, look, the droids.
Is this the droid you're looking for? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Come here. Let's go through Cole.
It's a store.
I know. It's cool.
Droids.
This is so cool. Look at all the things on the walls. Let me in. Where's Luke?
Oh, look, quick Sam. Oh, look, there's like a probe droid up there.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Look, it's R2-D2's brother.
Yes, I see. God, it's huge, Lily. Look.
Wow. I just heard, oh, right here, Mom, Dad, Papa.
Yeah. Super cool.
Well, and then that other line up there is the line to get in, like, after you get your reservation. I'm dying for me and me.
Permission granted to reach the main fast. Your identity card.
I lost it.
5 forces, move along.
Can I take a photo first?
Enjoy the day.
Thank you.
Location.
She is identical.
And you want us to believe that's you? We have ways of finding out. Only word of which is asking. We've got eyes on you, traveler.
Oh.
Proceed with holoscan.
Thank you.
Which is best.
What is it? I don't know. It's dead. Oh, it's alive.
I'll get the Java juice. Serve you a drink. Thank you.
Fabulous. Just like what I imagined.
Okay. It's Java Juice. And this is a Jedi Master, I think, or something like that.
I just went to the bathrooms and they're actually really cool.
Lisa, where are you going?
Like, it's so, oh my gosh.
It's a hydrospader. You know what a hydrospader looks like. Are you sure it's gone? Activate intake class. Looks like it's not opening fully.
Oh, cool. Super cool.
So what is the wait time?
It said 15 minutes.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look. The top of the Falcon.
Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hongo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions.
Oh my god! Let's do a photo. Oh, wait. We're pilots!
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. I was just about to send that pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Sure makes flying this thing
Maya.
easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Pilot, jump! Maya! Oh my god, this is so cool.
They blocked up to us. Take evasive action.
Evasive action!
Left pilot, brakes.
Oh, Jesus! Dead! Great!
Could have been more. kindly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Scan the data pad. Log every transmission.
Oh, lots of cool stuff is what's in here.
Okay, so we're on the train, we're heading home for the night, but they stopped the train because apparently they saw two teenage kids. They were hiding in the bushes, and right as the train was about to come, they crossed the railroad tracks. And like they, like just, like no...
They can't find them now, and we're right by Hungry Bear.
No one knows how they got there, like it's, and they don't know if like there's more people there. It's so weird. Oh, maybe sneak into Star Wars.
Yeah, because that's where
Maybe.
Hungry Bear is one of the entrances to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I didn't think of that. Yeah. So weird, this has like never happened to us. And they have all the lights on too.
Yeah, so we're just gonna drive super slow through here because they're still checking to see if they can find these two teenagers. They ran across, and I think they were sneaking into Star Wars. I think that's my guess, but they have to be cautious. It's hilarious.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost in these parts,
It's 11:12. Oh.